Hi everyone, today we will be covering the AI tools for planning your meals. First up, we have meal practice. In meal practice, you can generate your recipes. You can go to the recipe generator. You can select the different proteins, how healthy you want it to be. You can select different cuisine. For example, let's do Belgian and then chicken, and then it gives you different meals. You can also create an account and then you can save your meal plans as well. So this is completely free where you can generate the recipes with AI using the various ingredients. The second AI tool on our list is Meal Genie. It works in a similar fashion. So with Meal Genie, you can select the different kind of diet you want, for example, keto, vegetarian, nut-free, dairy-free. You can do the search or you can get the random recipe. This is free, but for it to work, you need to have an account. So when you do search, it will ask you to create an account. You can also browse the different dishes that people have already created for some inspiration. The third AI recipe creator on our list is called Let's Foodie. And with Let's Foodie, you can put in ingredients you have at home and it will generate a recipe for you. You can say, I have some leftover rice, some vinegar, and some frozen vegetables. And it creates fried rice with veggies and it tells you ingredients you need, for example, oil and some spices in addition to the ones you provided, and then it tells you how to make it. So that's the AI recipe generator. You can also go to the different categories it has. For example, if you want to do baking, if you want to cook, if you want to compare and freeze, it gives you some tips on how to those things. But I find the AI recipe generator is very, very useful because you can literally put all of the ingredients you have and it gives you the recipes. The fourth on our list is Chef GPT, and it has free version where you can create 5 recipes per month, and you can also save 5 recipes, or you can go to the pro mode. With this one, you can create your recipes. You can make your personal meal plan based on your height and weight, what your goal is, what your dietary requirements are, what your meal duration is, and then it generates a meal plan for you. So this is the AI powered nutritionist. You also have Mixology Maestro, where you can create different cocktails based on what you have and the drinks you have, and then it generates your cocktail. There's also MasterChef, which is recipe generator. So you can give a specific dish name and the amount of servings and how much time you have, what is your skill level, your dietary restrictions, and then it generates your recipe. So this is a little bit more features than what we had seen in the previous ones. You can browse the different type of chefs that it has. It also has Pantry Chef, which is similar to the AI recipe generator, where you can select the ingredients you already have at home and select what meal to cook, select what even utensils you have, how much time you have, and then it creates your recipes. It does have a lot of options. So that's Chef GPT. The last one on our list is this AI recipe generator. It's similar to a couple of other ones we had looked at. You can enter your ingredients, you can tell it, and it will create a recipe for you. So there you have it. So in this case, I also gave it tomato and pasta. It created a cheesy rice and vegetable casserole. It gave me the recipe, and you can also tell it if you don't like it, make a new recipe. There is the free plan, and there's also some paid plans if you want to do some advanced things. So it gives you 5 recipes total when you sign up. So there we have it. Those were the 5 meal AI recipes. Let me know which one is your favorite or if you have tried any of those.